আসসালামু আলাইকুম, ওয়েলকাম টু ডিজিটাল এডুকেশন বাংলাদেশ। শিক্ষার্থীরা আমরা শিখব নাউন সম্পর্কে। নাও compare your underlined words with a partner. পেজ নাম্বার হলো 07। In pairs discuss the following questions. What is a noun? What different types of nouns are here in English? What roles do nouns play in a sentence? So আমরা শিখব here are the noun answers to the questions in the images. What is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, things, or idea. The examples includes teacher, city, car, and happiness. Let me know if you need further explanations. What different types of nouns are there in English? Common nouns, dog, city, books, example. Proper nouns, London, John, Microsoft. Countable nouns, apple, chair, bottle. Uncountable nouns, water, sugar, air. Concrete noun, table, flower, phones. Abstract noun, wisdom. Collective nouns, stream, family, herds, herd. What does the role nouns play in sentence? Subject: the cat is sleeping. Objects: I like chocolates. Profession: John's books. Book is on the table. Object: on a preposition. She sat on the chair. Thank you. পরবর্তী ক্লাসে আমরা আরো এ নিয়ে বিস্তারিত আলোচনা করবো। সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ জানাই। শেষ করছি। খোদা হাফেজ।